Hi everyone, welcome to the channel eQuest by Surekha. In this video we can discuss most important reasoning topic syllogisms. It is very important topic for all competitive exams like SSC, banking sector and also IT sectors. For suppose if you take TCS NQT National Qualifier Test, in this test at least two questions are coming from this syllogisms topic. If you take a bank PO or SO, mainly IBPS SO, specialist officers, in that exam there are so many categories. If you take IT officer sector, there are at least 5 questions from this syllogisms topic. It is very important topic. So many students think that this topic is tough. Don't fear about this. This is not tough topic, very easy. Please do watch all videos in syllogisms, then you will get clear idea about this. It is very important topic. In syllogisms, questions are like, there are some statements followed by some conclusions. First of all, understand those statements, then which conclusions are valid and invalid. Then finally select your answer option. Very easy concept. For suppose some rats are cats and all cats are dogs. These are called statements. And there are some conclusions by following these statements. Then finally find out valid statements. Now see the introduction of a syllogisms concept. In syllogisms, all questions are related to 4 relations. There are 4 relations in syllogisms. They are, first one is all. All means that is universal positive, universal plus. Next one is no, that is universal minus, universal negative. Next one is some. Some means a particular positive. And next one is some not. That is a particular negative. If you know these 4 relations, then syllogisms questions are very easy. You can solve very easily. See here, all means universal plus. For example, all A's are B's. Example, all A's are B's. This is example for universal plus, all. I want to explain this syllogisms concept in Venn diagrams approach. Actually, there are 2 approaches to solve this type of questions. One is by using Venn diagrams, other one is income expenditure method. I want to explain in Venn diagrammatic method. All A's are B's means here this is for A and this is for B. This circle is for A and this circle is for B. All A's are B's. See here, all A's are present inside of B. So, all A's are B's is true. This is one case. Another diagram is, this is A and this is B. See, here also all A's are present inside of B's. So, all A's are B's here. You can take any one of these 2 diagrams, but I want to use second one because in questions there may be collection of 2 or more of these relations, not only one but also more than one relations. In that case, without confusion, to solve those questions use this diagram instead of this. All A's are B's. This is statement. All A's are B's is a statement. Use this diagram, this Venn diagram instead of this. Now see what are the conclusions by using this statement. See here, all A's are B's means some A's are B's. Each A is present inside of B. Then we can say some A's are B's. That is one conclusion. But not some A's are not B's. Okay. Some A's are B's. We can say only some A's are B's. But not some A's are not B's. Because this is a positive statement. Universal plus a positive statement. If any one of the statements is a positive, then conclusions must be positive. So this is positive statement. Conclusions related to this statement will be positive. So here some A's are B's. That is one conclusion. And other conclusion is some B's are A's. But not all B's are A's. Only some B's are A's. But not all B's are A's. There are two conclusions. One is some A's are B's and other one is some B's are A's. See second one, no. That is universal minus. Suppose example is no A is B. This is example. See the Venn diagram. This is A and this is B. Now here there is no relation. But here in this statement there is a relation, that is no relation. Please understand this. Here in this diagram there is no relation in between A and B. But in this statement they have given no A is B means no is one of the relations of four relations. That is one all, second one no, third one some, fourth one some not. So here there is a relation, that is a no relation. I want to indicate that no relation by using this symbol. Okay. There is a no relation in between A and B. This is statement. What are the conclusions? Here no A is B means no B is A. That is conclusion. One conclusion. No B is A. And some other conclusion is no A is B means some A's are not B's. Some A's are not B's. And some other conclusion is some B's are not A's. There are three conclusions. One is no B is A. Second one is some A's are not B's. And third one is some B's are not A's. Actually, no need to find out the conclusions. In your exams, they have given statements and conclusions also. Simply draw Venn diagram and find out relation. Then check conclusions which is a valid and which is a not valid. Then finally select your answer option. For better understanding, I want to explain like this. Here this is a statement. Then find out conclusions of your own. Then solvation of questions are very easy. Okay. For this statement there are three conclusions. Three are negative because this is a negative statement. No A is B, universal negative. If one of the statements is negative, then conclusions must be negative related to that statement. So here no B is A, that is a negative statement, and some A's are not B's. Some A's are not B's. We can say like that. Some A's are B's, that is wrong because that is positive. So here some A's are not B's. We can conclude like that. And this is some B's are not A's. Third one is some. That is particular positive. Example is some A's are B's. This is example statement. See the Venn diagram. This is A and this is B. There is intersection part because some A's are B's. This is some part, intersection part. Some A's are B's. Then what are the conclusions? Here statement is some A's are B's. Then we can conclude some B's are A's. What is the conclusion? Some B's are A's. Okay, that is the conclusion. Next, coming to fourth one, that is some not particular minus. Fourth one is some not particular negative. In third one, that is some particular positive, we can conclude only one, that is some B's are A's. We can't conclude some A's are not B's and some B's are not A's because those are negative. But statement is a positive, particular positive. Okay, if any one of the statements is positive, particular positive, then conclusions must be positive. But here see some not, this is a particular negative. See, example statement is some A's are not B's. Some A's are not B's. This is example statement. See the Venn diagram. This is for A and this is for B. Some A's are not B's. There is no intersection part because here there is a negative, not B's. So this is A and this is B. I want to use this arrow symbol for some not. Okay, this arrow is for some not. Some A's are not B's. Then we can say some B's are not A's. No, that is wrong. Here there is no conclusion. Some B's are not A's. This conclusion is wrong. Here some A's are not B's. That is a negative statement. We can't conclude some B's are not A's here. Here in this case there is no conclusion. Remember this. Remember all these four relations and corresponding Venn diagrams. Then we can easily solve all the questions related to syllogisms. Now see the first example. See here there are two statements. Some A's are B's. All B's are C's. First of all, draw Venn diagram. Some A's are B's. See, this is A and this is B. Some A's are B's. This is intersection part. This is sum part. And coming to second statement, all B's are C's. All B's are C's. Draw like this. This is C. Outer circle is for C, inner circle is for B. Because all B's are C's. This is Venn diagram. Diagram is completed. Now see, what may be the conclusions? According to first one, some A's are B's. We can conclude that some B's are A's. That is one conclusion. And we can't say not. Some A's are not B's and some B's are not A's. Because this is a positive statement, so conclusion must be positive. Some A's are B's means some B's are A's. And coming to next one, all B's are C's. This is the statement. From this statement, what may be the conclusion? See, all B's are C's. Means some B's are C's. That is true. All B's are C's. So some B's are C's. That is also true. And some C's are B's. Other conclusion is some C's are B's. And we can't say all C's are B's. Because outer circle is C, inner circle is B. We can't say all C's are B's. Only some C's are B's. Okay. And another conclusion is C. A and C relation. Some A's are C's. That is also true. There is no direct relation in between A and C. But there is a relation because of B. So there is an intersection part. Intersection part for A and C also. So some A's are C's. And some C's are A's. That is also one of the conclusions. Now see next one. See here. There are two statements. All A's are B's. This is a positive statement. No B is C. This is a negative statement. First of all, draw Venn diagram. All A's are B's. This is A. This is B. All A's are B's. Next, second statement is no B is C. Here this is C. No B is C means here there is a relation, that is no relation. So this is a no relation. Venn diagram is completed. Now see what are the conclusions. From this diagram, all A's are B's is a statement. We can conclude some A's are B's. That is one conclusion. And some B's are A's. That is another conclusion. Some A's are B's. And next one is some B's are A's. Completed. Now see, from these two, B and C, no B is, C is a statement. From this statement, what are the conclusions? Here we can conclude no C is B. No B is C and no C is B is a conclusion. And some B's are not C's. We can conclude some B's are not C's. Because this is a negative, no. So we can conclude negative only. So some B's are not C's. We cannot say some B's are C's. Because here this is a negative, so some B's are not C's. We can say only negative. And some C's are not B's. Okay, those are conclusions related to this. How many conclusions? 3 conclusions. No C is B, and some B's are not C's, and some C's are not B's. Okay. Now see the relation in between A and C. Actually there is a relation between B and C. But A is present inside of B, that's why indirectly there is a relation in between A and C. What are the conclusions applicable for this B? Those conclusions applicable for this A also. Because entire A is present inside of B. So here no A is C. This is correct. Correct conclusion. And no C is A. And other one is some A's are not C's. And next one is some C's are not A's. All these are conclusions related to this Venn diagram. But in your exams, there may be 2 or more statements followed by at least 4 conclusions. Simply check those conclusions, then select valid conclusions. Then select your answer option. Now see third one. Now see 2 statements. One is some. Other one is no. Some A's are B's and no B is C. Some A's are B's. Venn diagram is like this. This is A and this is B. This is some part. Some A's are B's. And next one is no B is C. This is a no relation in between B and C. In second one, here all A's are B's. Statement is all A's are B's. But in third one, some A's are B's. That is the difference. See, what are the conclusions? Here some A's are B's. From this Venn diagram, from this part, we can say some B's are A's. Okay, some A's are B's is a statement. Conclusion is some B's are A's is a conclusion. We can't say not because this is positive. And here this is a no relation in between B and C. From this part we can conclude that no C is B. Reverse, no C is B. And we can conclude some B's are not C's. And other one is some C's are not B's. Some B's are not C's and some C's are not B's. And from these two, A and C, there is no direct relation, but because of B, there is a relation in between A and C. This is some part. Okay. We can conclude some A's are not C's. No B is C. Here, this is some part, intersection part of A and B. From this, we can conclude some A's are not C's. This some A's are not C's. Okay. See the next one. See this example. Some actors are jokers. All jokers are dancers. First see Venn diagram. Some actors are jokers. This is intersection part, some part between actors and jokers. This is for actors and this is for jokers. And all jokers are dancers. All jokers are dancers. Okay, all jokers are dancers. This is Venn diagram. Now see conclusions. First conclusion, some actors are dancers. Check it is true or not. Some actors are dancers. See, actors and dancers. Some actors are dancers. Yes, it is true. First one is true. And second conclusion, no joker is actor. No joker is actor. No joker is actor. This is false. Because some jokers are actors is true. So second one not follows. Only one follows. What is the answer? First one. Only one follows. Now see fifth question. All red are blue. What is the Venn diagram? This is red. All red are blue. This is blue. And all blue are black. All blue are black. See, this is for black. Write completely. Because here blue and black. Without confusion, write complete names. Here red. This is red. All red are blue. And all blue are black. This is Venn diagram. Now see conclusions. Some blue are red. Some blue are red. Yes, it is true. First one is true. Some blue are red. We can say that. But we can't say all blue are red. We can say some blue are red. So first conclusion is true. Second one. Some black are red. Some black are red. Yes, it is also true. Some black are red. Because this is black and this is also red. Okay. This outer circle is for black. In this black there is a red. Some black are red. It is true. So second conclusion is also true. And some red are not black. Some red are not black. We can't conclude that because that is negative statement. Sorry, negative conclusion. Here these are positive statements. So we cannot use negative conclusions. Simply strike out this. And fourth one, all black are blue. All black are blue. That is wrong. All black or blue is wrong. But all blue are black. That is a statement. But here we can conclude some black are blue. But not all black are blue. So this is also wrong. For this 1 and 2, first and second conclusions are true. I hope you understand this concept. Please do practice different examples. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.